Are you overwhelmed by the sheer number of mutual funds out there? Wondering how to pick the right one for your financial goals? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break it down step by step and help you make the right choice. Step 1. Define your financial goals. Are you saving for a short-term goal like a vacation, a medium-term goal like buying a car, or a long-term goal like retirement? Your goal will determine the type of mutual fund you should choose. Short-term goals, debt funds, liquid funds. Long-term goals, equity funds, index funds. Step 2. Assess your risk tolerance. Ask yourself, can I handle market ups and downs? If not, debt funds might be a better choice. If you're okay with some volatility for higher returns, equity funds may be the way to go. Step 3. Match the fund type to your goal. Here's a quick guide. Equity funds for long-term growth. Debt funds for short-term stability, balanced funds for moderate risk. ELS funds if you're looking to save taxes. Equity funds equal long-term growth. Debt funds equal short-term stability. ELS funds equal tax savings. Step 4. Evaluate fund performance. Look at historical returns over 3, 5, and 10 years. Consistent performance beats short-term spikes. Step 5. Check the expense ratio. A lower expense ratio means less of your money goes toward management fees and more stays invested. Step 6. Review the fund's portfolio. Make sure it's diversified across sectors and aligns with your comfort level. Step 7. Understand exit loads and tax implications. Some funds charge a fee if you withdraw early, and you'll also want to know the tax rules for your investment returns. Bonus tip. If you're still unsure, consider consulting a financial advisor. They'll help you align your investments with your goals and risk profile. So, there you have it, a complete guide to choosing the right mutual fund to achieve your financial goals. Remember, investing is a journey, and the right mutual fund can help you reach your destination. Like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more investing tips. Now tell us, what's your financial goal and which mutual fund are you considering? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.